Looking to upgrade your home without breaking the bank? These amazing Amazon finds can help you stay organized, save space, and add style to any room. All product links are in the description below. Let's get started. Number 1, the Casaottima Tree Bookshelf with LED Light, $31. A stylish and space-saving bookshelf designed to organize your books while adding a modern touch to your home. It features built-in LED lighting, makes great use of vertical space, helps reduce clutter, and creates an eye-catching display for books, decor, and collectibles. It's a functional piece that adds both storage and style to any room. Number 2, the ZATOCL 150L Large Laundry Basket with Wheels, $28. A practical laundry solution designed to make clothes storage and transport easier. It offers a large capacity for family-sized loads, features smooth rolling wheels for effortless movement, helps keep laundry organized, and makes household chores more convenient and efficient. It's a simple upgrade that can save time and effort every week. Number 3, the LOHAS LED Night Light, $21. A smart lighting solution designed to provide soft illumination throughout your home. It automatically turns on in low light conditions, helps improve nighttime visibility, uses energy-efficient LED technology, and adds comfort and convenience to hallways, bedrooms, bathrooms, and more. It's a simple way to make your home feel safer and more welcoming. Number 4, the Cvorttl Folding Sofa Bed, $81. A versatile furniture piece designed to provide both seating and sleeping space in one compact design. It easily converts from a comfortable sofa to a bed, saves valuable space, makes hosting guests more convenient, and adds flexibility to apartments, dorms, and small living areas. It's a practical solution for maximizing comfort without sacrificing space. Number 5, the HOLDN Storage Over-the-Door Hanger, $29. A smart storage solution designed to create extra organization without taking up floor space. It easily hangs over most doors, provides convenient storage for coats, bags, towels, and accessories, helps reduce clutter, and keeps everyday essentials within easy reach. It's a simple way to add more storage to any room. Number 6, the VONLUCE Industrial Brass Floor Lamp for Living Room, $79. A stylish lighting fixture designed to brighten your space while adding a touch of modern elegance. It provides warm ambient lighting, enhances the look of living rooms, bedrooms, or offices, requires minimal floor space, and serves as both a functional and decorative home accent. It's an easy way to elevate the atmosphere of any room. Number 7, the Folding Sofa Bed, 4-in-1 Convertible Sleeper Chair, $79. A multifunctional furniture piece designed to adapt to your needs. It easily converts between a chair, recliner, chaise lounge, and bed, saves space in smaller rooms, provides extra sleeping space for guests, and adds flexibility to your living area. It's a smart solution for comfort, convenience, and versatility. Number 8, the Eavida Kitchen Soap Dispenser Set, $13. A stylish and practical countertop accessory designed to keep your sink area neat and organized. It provides an easy way to dispense soap, reduces clutter around the sink, adds a clean modern look to your kitchen, and makes everyday cleaning tasks more convenient. It's a simple upgrade that enhances both function and style. Number 9, the AOJEZOR Toilet Paper Holder Stand, $24. A smart bathroom organizer designed to keep toilet paper easily accessible while adding extra storage. It holds multiple rolls, helps reduce bathroom clutter, saves space, and adds a clean and organized look to your restroom. It's a practical addition that combines convenience with functionality. Number 10, the TECHMILLY Collapsible Laundry Basket, $22. A space-saving laundry solution designed for convenience and easy storage. It folds flat when not in use, saves valuable space, holds a generous amount of laundry, and makes carrying clothes easier around the home. It's a practical household essential for keeping laundry organized without taking up extra room. Number 11, the Kelisiting wall-mounted clothes drying rack, $37. A smart space-saving solution designed to dry clothes efficiently without taking up floor space. It mounts directly to the wall, folds away when not in use, helps maximize small laundry areas, and provides a convenient place to air-dry clothing. It's a practical addition for apartments, laundry rooms, and compact living spaces. Number 12, the VEVOR Garden Cart, $95. A durable outdoor utility cart designed to make hauling heavy loads easier. It helps transport gardening tools, plants, soil, and supplies with less effort, features a sturdy construction for reliable use, and makes yard work more efficient and comfortable. It's a great tool for anyone looking to simplify outdoor tasks. Number 13, the MCGOR Motion Sensor Light Indoor, $20. A smart lighting solution designed to automatically illuminate dark areas when motion is detected. It helps improve visibility, adds convenience to closets, hallways, stairs, and cabinets, saves energy by turning on only when needed, and makes your home feel safer and more functional. It's an easy upgrade that brings hands-free lighting wherever you need it. Number 14, the Bella 2-Slice Slim Toaster, $22. A compact kitchen appliance designed to deliver perfectly toasted bread while saving valuable counter space. Its slim design fits easily into smaller kitchens, offers quick and even toasting, is simple to use, and makes busy mornings more convenient. It's a stylish and practical addition to any kitchen setup. Number 15, the Deyagoo LED Wall Sconce, $19. A modern lighting fixture designed to add both style and functionality to your space. It provides soft ambient lighting, enhances the look of bedrooms, hallways, and living areas, saves space compared to floor lamps, and creates a warm and inviting atmosphere. It's an affordable way to upgrade your home decor and lighting. Number 16, the Budding Joy Underbed Storage Containers, $21. A smart storage solution designed to maximize unused space under your bed. They help organize clothes, blankets, shoes, and seasonal items, reduce clutter, keep belongings protected, and make it easier to maintain a clean and organized home. It's a simple way to create extra storage without taking up additional room. Number 17, the TreeLen Broom and Dustpan Set, $20. A practical cleaning essential designed to make sweeping faster and more efficient. It helps collect dust and debris with ease, features a convenient upright design for comfortable use, saves storage space, and makes everyday cleaning simpler and less time-consuming. It's a must-have tool for keeping your home neat and tidy. Number 18, the Kitsure Shower Caddy, $9. A convenient bathroom organizer designed to keep your shower essentials neatly stored and within reach. It helps organize shampoo, soap, and other toiletries, reduces clutter, saves space, and creates a cleaner, more organized bathroom. It's an affordable upgrade that adds both convenience and functionality to your daily routine. Number 19, the Kölbs Wedge Reading Cushion, $44. A comfortable support pillow designed to improve relaxation while reading, watching TV, or working in bed. It provides ergonomic back support, helps promote better posture, reduces strain on the neck and shoulders, and makes lounging more comfortable. It's a simple way to add extra comfort to your daily routine. Number 20, the BUZUEY Side Table, $119. A stylish and functional furniture piece designed to add convenience and storage to your living space. It provides an ideal spot for drinks, books, or decor, helps keep essentials within reach, enhances room organization, and adds a modern touch to your home. It's a practical accent piece that combines style with everyday functionality. Number 21, the AQIMUELE Wooden C-Shaped End Table, $111. A space-saving side table that slides neatly beside sofas, beds, or chairs, keeping your essentials close at hand. If you enjoyed these Amazon home finds, Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more amazing Amazon deals, home upgrades, and smart product discoveries.